Thank you for joining Homebase. The Homebase mobile app makes it easy to manage your time cards on the go. Ready to learn how? Let's get started. First, let's open up your Homebase app on your mobile phone. Let's start by viewing your employee time cards. Select Timesheets on the bottom navigation bar. Listed here, we have all of the employees and their total hours worked for the current pay period. To change the pay period or week, select Pay Period on the top left corner and select a date that you would like to view. Now let's check to see if there are any errors in the time cards. At Homebase, we do the work for you. Homebase automatically identifies common errors, including missed breaks or clockouts. Looks like we have an issue on this time card. Now let's go over how to edit the time card and correct errors. Select the employee's name you would like to edit. Here we have a list of time cards broken down by each day. Now let's select a date that needs to be edited. Looks like this employee Ken added 2 time card notes. Ken noted that he forgot to clock in at the beginning of his shift and forgot to clock out for his break as well. First, let's fix his break. To add in a missed break, select Add Break. Select Break Start and enter in the time. Now select Break End and enter in the time. You can also select break type to choose what break they are taking. Next, let's fix the clock-in time. To do so, simply select clock-in time and adjust to the correct time. If you have employees using the mobile time clock, you can view their GPS snapshot by selecting the map on the top right corner of the time card. You can view this to make sure they are clocking in and out at the correct work locations. Now that we're done editing and reviewing the time card, let's select Save Changes on the bottom right corner. Looks like Ken's time cards are all up to date. There may also be times when your employees forget to clock in at all. Let's go over how you can easily add a new time card to reflect when they work. When on the Timesheets page, select the plus sign on the top right corner. Select Employee, Role, Date, the clock in and clock out time, and add in their breaks. Now select Add Time Card to finish it off. Now you know how to review your time cards and quickly correct any errors. When you keep up with your time cards throughout the week, it makes running payroll easier at the end of each pay period. Time tracking is easy with Homebase. Still have questions? Visit support.joinhomebase.com.